There's a look at the rainfall that's working from Palm Beach County into the Treasure Coast. Some heavy downpours here and lots of lightning, although the lightning counter started to drop in the last few as the storms work off the coast. There's still some lingering rain, though, kind of a messy start to the weekend. But it will start to improve as we get into 6 and 7 o'clock. That line of rain and storms all the way down into Palm Beach County and Martin County. Hope Sound getting a big storm there. And you could follow that trail. It was like a rope all the way down through Wellington into Riviera Beach, although these are a lot weaker than they were even, I would say, half an hour ago. They are starting to really settle down, but a few rumbles of thunder possible in the next hour or two. In the tropics, Umberto, which is forecast, by the way, to become a Category 4 hurricane overnight, and potential tropical cyclone 9. This was just upgraded by the Hurricane Center at Invest 94. It's just off the northeastern tip of Cuba now. A low-level circulation is trying to develop. And what is a potential tropical cyclone? Well, it's a system that it more than likely will be a tropical depression or tropical storm. And the Hurricane Center does this so that even though it hasn't formed yet, they can issue advisories and watches and warnings. And in this case, that would be for the Bahamas. Here's the forecast track for it. They expect that it'll stay weak as it moves into the southern Bahamas. There's Sunday 2 p.m. Just to the north of Nassau, Paradise Island, and the Atlantis area. Moving toward the Abacos Cat Island there. So it's moving through pretty much right down the spine of the Bahamas, crossing very close to Marsh Harbor and Hopetown in the Abacos. And this now winds at 65 miles an hour. You can see we're not in the error cone here at all. But just because you're not in the error cone doesn't mean there's a zero chance of experiencing gusty winds. I'll show you that in a second. Here's a look at hot and humid. This is our Vipercast model, and you can see that on Sunday we do, at least on this model, do get into some showers and storms, kind of the outer feeder band, if you will, of what is trying to develop into a strong tropical storm. Just kind of brushed with it Sunday afternoon and likely Sunday night. Now, we're not zero for the probability of seeing tropical storm force winds here. That'd be 40 miles an hour stronger. We're about 5 to almost 20% in spots, much, much higher, obviously, closer to the track down through the Abacos. And a quick look at our other storm. This is Hurricane Umberto. I think the shocking thing here is that this is forecast to become a Category 4. There's Bermuda, so it misses Bermuda. Down the line track, misses Bermuda just to the west, late weekend, early next week. All right, 90 tomorrow, showers and storms popping up in the afternoon. And here's your 7-day forecast. Sunday, we're going to keep an eye on that system for any shifts that might happen, but kind of soggy in the afternoon.